Alright, so here's our question that we had from number 6 from section 9. There's some rules in the book on finding an inverse function. The first step would be to substitute y for f of x. The second thing to do is to switch your x and your y. So we would write it as x equals 5y plus 6 over 9. Next step would be solve for y. So I will multiply both sides by 9. Then I will subtract my 6. And then lastly I will divide by 5. So I've solved for y, and then now lastly I'm just going to put f inverse of x for y, because it represents this is my inverse function. Now we could verify this by composing these two functions. So I have 9x minus 6 over 5 is my inverse, and my original function is that. So let's compose f and f inverse. So wherever I see an x in my original function, I'm going to put that 9x minus 6 over 5. So I have 5 times 9x minus 6 over 5 minus 6, or plus 6, sorry, over 9. So here's my original function, and instead of putting x, I put my inverse function, which we found to be 9x minus 6 over 5. 5's cancel out, so I'm left with 9x minus 6 plus 6 over 9, which gives me 9x over 9, which gives me x. That verifies algebraically that my function and its inverse are inverses of each other.